In this video, I'm going to show you how to view sports communities in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to find sports-focused groups and the discussions so you can follow updates, join conversations, and stay connected with the topics you care about most. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to videos. Let's get right into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the communities option right away, click on More to expand the extra menu items. This will reveal additional features that are not shown in the main sidebar. Once the menu expands, click Communities. This takes you to the Communities page where you can browse different topic-based groups on X. After that, look for the sports category from the tags shown at the top. Select sports, and that will filter the communities so you can view the sports-related ones available on the platform. From here, you can explore the communities, see what people are posting, and choose the ones that match your interests. And that's it. You now know how to view sports communities in X or Twitter in just a few steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this one.